Hello folks, welcome back to another edition of BC Renovation Magazine. It's been a while, and I'm going to show you an update on the project here. We've been working away here on the project for the last few months, and yeah, I'll give you an update now and show you where we're at. Stay tuned. Yeah, so it's been a while since we've posted any videos, and the reason for that is we've just had a lot of other things going on besides this project. You know, a lot of little projects, some not so little, but that I'm not going to put on YouTube. I don't want I don't want to put them on a public forum like YouTube. So anyways, in between times we have been working away here on our abandoned mobile home project, and yeah, I'll just give you an update here quick, just to show you kind of where we're at. So you know, since the last video that we posted, we've gone ahead and done all the joint filling on the walls. We've primed them out, we've given them one coat of paint, and we're in the finishing process right now. So you can see I'm set up here again to do some finishing work. We got the ceilings are all finished, so we refinished all of our ceilings with just a fresh light stipple coat. And yeah, I haven't I'll just give you a walk around here as I'm talking, just kind of show you where we're at. But yeah, so I didn't record any of that process, folks, because you know, I've done it before, and on a previous project, and on that project, you know, I made a playlist. I did several videos. I'm not sure, I think there was 7 or 8 or 9, something like that, videos where I went through the process, you know, step by step, from, you know, those old trailer walls that have the moldings and stuff on them, to you know, stripping all the moldings off, and then joint filling and painting, and, you know, refinishing the ceilings. So you know, I've already done that, so I wasn't going to do it again, and so I've just kind of skipped through that on this one. I will put a link to a playlist at the end of the video and in the description, you know, to that little series of videos there that shows, you know, how you go from, you know, those kind of ugly old trailer walls, mobile home walls, to, you know, a walls, an interior that looks like this, you know, that looks like a you know, like a house. And so if you are interested in that process, you know, just click on those links to those videos, and you will see it. It'll take you through that step by step. Okay, and so here's our ensuite bath, and you know, my showers, tub areas, you know, these are ready for tile now. So I've been working away. I've got the windows finished, so you know, I've done the interior trim on the windows. I'm going to do a little video separately from this one that's just going to kind of explain how I do that and the materials that I use. You can also see that, you know, I've got some closet shelving installed here. I think I'll do another video that just kind of explains how I do this, you know, all the measurements, the materials, and all of that. You know, the work's already done. I'm not going to show you the step-by-step process of doing that work, but you know, I'll you know, give you the measurements and all that stuff to, you know, how to, you know, create a window that looks professional, and, you know, do those closet shelves like that. So yeah, this is just a quick video to kind of let you know where I'm at, where I've been for the last few months. And some of you may have seen some product videos pop up on the channel there. We're starting to get a lot of requests for product reviews and collaborations now on the channel. You know, they're coming through, you know, a couple times a month. A lot of the products that we're being asked, you know, to review, I'm not interested in. So I'm not going to make videos, you know, on products that I can't get behind, that I can't support. So yeah, you will see some of those videos coming up, and you know, we did the one on the Dovo laser levels, which, you know, was a really good product. You know, so some of you may not be interested in that, but as do-it-yourselfers, you know, it's good to, you know, good to have some you know, tools available to use, you know, tool resources that, you know, that you can look at. Like I say, I'm not going to review stuff that I don't like, that doesn't appeal to me. You know, you're not going to see stuff on the channel that's not related to the channel. So if it's not a home improvement item, you know, you're never going to see endorsements or videos on coffee or you know, any kind of stuff like that. This is strictly a DIY type of channel and a home improvement channel, so we're going to stick with that theme. So now going forward, I'm going to start making some videos again now. Like I say, you know, what I've done here to date is just, you know, kind of all stuff that I've already done, and you know, that and the fact that we had some other projects going on, and I just kind of needed a break from YouTube. It takes a lot of time to make these videos, folks, and you know, I don't see any point in doing things twice. So but coming up now, we're going to be doing the doors, and you can see we've got a couple of pocket doors. We've got a pocket door here. We're going to be installing some bifolds and some, you know, passage doors. And you know, in these mobile homes, things are different. You know, we have walls that aren't the same thickness as a residential home, but of course all of the door, you know, units that you buy are set up for 2x4 walls. Like if you're, for example, here we have a 2x3 wall. So I'm going to show you how I deal with all of that. And those videos I'm going to get in quite into detail and show you step by step of the actual installation on it. You know, the windows, I just kind of scooted through that. Same with the shelves, because it's, you know, there's really not much to show you there. But like I said, I will do a little video on the windows and a little video on my closets, just to kind of show you, you know, what I did and the measurements. So yeah, so stick around, folks, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and if you hit that notification bell, you will get notifications whenever I put up a new video. And yeah, we're gonna get back into it here and start making some videos again, and something new. Like I say, I haven't done a lot of videos on that you know, interior finishing aspect. Another thing we're gonna do is we have a beam up here that needs to be finished, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do that and make a nice wood beam in here. We also have a set of cabinets to install and counters, and yeah, I'm going to get quite involved with that. You know, showing you exactly how to do that. And you know, some ceramic tile. We got some floors coming up, and yeah, so lots coming up here now in the near future, folks. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.